Hello, my name is Augie and I'm on the product team here at Emperor Investments. And today I wanted to walk you through how to create a goal on our online platform. Now, what's so important about creating a goal in general is it helps you visualize what you're saving and investing for and really helps you put meaning behind your money. On the Emperor platform, what's important about creating a goal is that it really gets you access to your tailor-made investment portfolio. Otherwise, our platform and services are kind of useless to you, so we definitely recommend creating a goal. Whether you want to create just one savings goal, or you want to create just one retirement goal, or you want to create an unlimited number of goals, Emperor supports all of those functionalities. Now, before I begin the walkthrough, I wanted to draw your attention to these three tabs here. These tabs represent the accounts that Emperor currently supports opening online. There are other options if you want to email us at support@emperorinvest.com. What's important about these tabs is that goals are created under accounts on the Emperor platform. So let's say I wanted to create a retirement goal, I would likely want to create it under a traditional or a Roth IRA account to get the benefits of those accounts. As you can see, during the creation of this test account, I only opened an individual account. So I'll get a message saying, you have not opened this account type yet, click here to open one now. But let's leave opening an account to another video and just proceed with creating a goal. So there are two ways I can create a goal. If I have no goals and this is my first time logging in, I'll see this banner here where I can click create a goal, or I can always create a goal by clicking here. We'll click here. This is the first page of goal creation. On this page, you'll tell us a little bit more about your goal. We'll enter a goal name. Let's say we want to save for retirement. A goal target amount. We want $1 million to retire on. You'll select the account type. Now this will show all of the accounts you have opened, but since we only have an individual opened, it's the only option for us right now. You'll also select how many years you want to achieve your goal. So I will select in 30 years. This is where you'll choose a risk level for your portfolio. During sign up, I was recommended a growth portfolio. So I will only be able to go down one level by myself, or if I were recommended a lower risk portfolio, I'd be able to go up one. If you want to go further than that, then you will have to email us at support@emperorinvest.com and we can make that happen for you. I'll just leave the recommendation as is. I'll also be able to select whether I want to reinvest my dividends or receive them as cash in my account. I want to reinvest them because there are so many advantages of doing so, so I'm going to continue. On this page, we'll summarize what goal you're creating, and this is the portfolio you'll get based on your goal details and your answers to our questionnaire during the sign-up process. So you can review those. And if you like what you see, you can complete your goal. Your goal has now been created. And the next step is to link your bank account so you can fund your goal and start investing. So I will link my bank. There are two ways you can link your bank. If you do online banking, you can click the Find Your Bank button, which will open Plaid, which lets you select your bank and log in with your online banking details. Now, as you saw here, this whole process is secure and private and is managed by Plaid. So Emperor doesn't store any of your banking information or have access to it. So we'll go to Chase and I'll just enter my fake credentials. Now I'll select the account from my bank that I'd like to link. Now these are just test accounts, so I'll select the Plaid Gold Standard and I'll select Link Bank. So my bank link is now successful, and the next step is to add funds to the goal we just created. In this final step, you'll select which bank account you want to fund your goal with and which goal you want to fund. In our situation, we only have one of each, so both will be pre-populated. This section here shows the details of the goal you selected in 2. The goal value right now is blank because this is our first time funding, but if this goal were already funded and invested, the goal value would reflect the amount of money that's in the goal under 2. Since this is our first time funding, we'll select an initial contribution. Let's say I have $20,000 I want to invest, and I want to invest that today. But I also want to set up a recurring contribution plan. So I can choose between none, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or annually. I'll just leave it with monthly for now. And we'll select a recurring contribution of, let's say, $1,000 every month. And that'll automatically come out of my account in the frequency, so monthly. And we can select a starting date for that too. So maybe I don't want to start today, but I want it to happen every Friday. Let's say it aligns with my payday. And we'll submit that. And there you go. Your goal has been created and a fund has been scheduled for May 16th. Now you might notice that I selected May 15th, but because I'm creating this after the markets are already closed, we're not going to be able to buy any stocks in your portfolio until the next day. And so we can close this now. And as you can see, this is your retirement goal page. Pretty blank right now because we don't have any performance data and we haven't invested your money yet, but everything you need to know about your goal will be housed here. That's all for this video. On behalf of the Emperor team, thank you for investing with us.